Welcome to Chefy B TV. This is Trader Joe's Favorites. Today we are featuring the Texas bag, and we are doing top 5 favorite spices. Chili lime, onion salt, Mushroom and Company Umami seasoning salt, and my DIY taco seasoning mix. Let's dive into each one of these. First up is the chili lime seasoning. Ingredients are sea salt, chili pepper, red bell pepper, lime juice powder, citric acid, and rice concentrate. The rice concentrate is used to prevent caking in the jar. This seasoning goes great with meat, fish, and poultry, but I especially like it with fresh vegetables like jicama and fresh fruit like mango. You get a little dash of spicy with the sweetness as well as that nice salty tang. Next, we have the seasoning salt, an all-purpose savory seasoning. Ingredients are granulated onion, granulated garlic, sea salt, celery seed, paprika, ground nutmeg, and dry mustard. This really is an all-purpose seasoning blend. You can put this on anything that you'd put that other brand of seasoning salt on, but you don't have to worry about any extra chemicals or any extra preservatives. Granulated onion, granulated garlic, minced onion, kosher salt, green onion, and dried chives make up the onion salt, a savory allium blend with a touch of salt. Very tasty. This is the GOAT for sure. I put this on everything from eggs to salads to meat, anything I can think of. This salt is going right on top of it. The Mushroom and Company multi-purpose umami seasoning blend is made up of kosher salt, dried onions, ground mustard seed, porcini mushroom and white button mushroom powder, crushed red pepper, black pepper, and dried thyme. This blend of spices adds that X factor to all of your dishes, with that incorporation of that umami or that satiation feeling in your mouth added to each bite. This is basically a natural form of MSG without the side effects. This DIY taco seasoning mix is actually made from an empty spice container and the taco seasoning pouch, which contains sea salt, cumin, cayenne, sugar, paprika, onion, garlic, black pepper, red bell pepper, oregano, chili pepper, and smoked paprika. One of my favorite things to do with this seasoning is actually add it to my chili. It just gives it that extra kick. But another thing is adding it to ranch dressing. Oh my gosh, it's the best vegetable dip ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.